S13 Plans.
Now that's thinking. It would be this big.
And it would still drop rockets.
Okay, so Jack's wideband gauge decided to fuck up, and upon messaging the place, they said they would claim it under warranty and they would send him a new one. But in doing so, he has to destroy his old one, video it, and then send it back to them so that they, know that he's not going to sell it on or rip them off. And this is what he sent me.
What I'm questioning is, why do you use a rubber mallet instead of a hammer?
I told him to bring it to my work and we would have put it in a 50-ton pneumatic press, but...
My theory, at least.
Yeah, do it.
Put the camera real close to it, guarantee nothing bad will happen.
Yeah, nothing bad will happen to the camera.
Oh, I didn't have my mask on.
Hey, your eyes.
Lit. He laughed. Everyone laughs.
Just didn't expect it.
Oh, is this it?
Look at that fucking piece of shit right there. That thing's such a big fucking pile of roasted fucking dog shit. The wheels are fucking broken on this motherfucker. What the hell? Look at you got yourself a fucking boyfriend. You're good God, you two fucking sons of bitches. You couldn't bolt a fucking chair to a floor with a nut and bolt kit. You're so fucking retarded. I ain't never seen anything that fucking retarded in my whole goddamn life. Look at you bouncing around like a fucking bag of dicks in a fucking ping pong tournament. I ain't never seen something so goddamn gay in my life. I'm gonna take one.
I love it. That's my opinion on stance. Look at you bouncing around like a bag of dicks in a fucking ping pong tournament. Oh man, I need to do something in my life. 1935 mahogany onto a steel bracket onto a nice yellow piece.
Is that the sachet yellow?
Yes, yes.
Lovely.
How'd you know?
Mate, I'm actually a connoisseur of the high-class goods.
Wow.
I've seen one of these instruments before.
Speaking of Antique Roadshow, this is my 1938 LS1.
Is that a flathead V8?
Ooh. This is old technology that happens to work better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Happens faster period. Okay. Cool.
So this is the recipe for what makes fanboys and allegiants really cranky. Charlie Power.
That random dude on Instagram.
that random dude on Instagram who keeps chewing me out for LS swapping jump chassis because I'm a faggot.
Yeah, man, you're big gay.
I am the big gay.
I'm the biggest gay.
Big mood.
Big mood, long gay. S13 Plans.
Now that's thinking. It would be this big.
And it would still drop rockets.
The only way to build a Nissan is with a lot of alcohol because they send you nuts. Make me cry. Alright, so I've been through 2 SR20s in my time and they're a good motor for what they are, but I'm going to cop out if they cost too much. So trying to race is expensive. Maintenance cost is pretty much my whole budget. So when you want to try and maintain everything else that's not the motor, I don't have enough money. No, but thanks mate. So I went with the LS just purely for pretty much the way everyone else does it. It's light, it's easy power, it's easy to maintain, it's cheap, and it lasts. So I've gone with that. Gonna keep it NA, ITBs, cam, that thing. So I like the whole trumpet out the bonnet idea rather than turbo, which everyone else does. It's a grip car as well, so it's time attack, which isn't too common for the S13s, I guess. Pretty much, yeah, just want something that's going to be nice and easy to maintain up through the whole season, not go over budget again, and hopefully somewhat get a good result without blowing it apart. Right, so ring lands, that's good. They S13s don't like too much boost. So next time the internet tells you that 14 PSI on standard tune will do fine. They're wrong. That's my fault. He ran fine on 10, 12 pound for 5 years, no dramas, put 14 through it. Blew up a few months later. So that's my fault. I'm sure the internet will give me enough shit for telling you that, but it is what it is. So built another SR and had issues with that. And
So I've like,
here we are.
Like in my lane, so I've gone the other
Beautiful.
lane, and he's jumped on the white line, slipped over.
I'm sorry, you gotta explain that story now.
So I was on and oh shit, I shouldn't say that. I was on the mountains and came around the corner late at night and there was just an entire family of ducks right on the apex, travelling way too fast. There was nothing I could do. I just had to mow them over, which I did. And I came back to the ducks just to make sure there wasn't like a lone duckling there or something that I could, you know, raise up to be like my son or something. And they were all dead. So that's been a long-running joke. And now one of my friends has put this on my car while I wasn't home because I definitely didn't see anyone do it.
That is hilarious.
I want to know who did it.
I want to know as well. Has nobody owed up to it?
No one's owned up.
None of us have owed up to it.
It's so frustrating because I want to commend them to it because that's funny. It's funny as fuck.